Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to show you a video to root your Carbon A25 Duple series mobile. So first I will tell you that whatever the process or whatever the changes you have to make, I will post that in the description and all the links will be in the description. So please make sure you check the description because sometimes the links get dead. So I always make changes in the description. So to root your Carbon A25 mobile, first you need to have a good battery, that is more than 50%, and you should have no locking in your mobile. And I will suggest you to reset your mobile. The process of resetting is uploaded in my YouTube channel, so please make a search, and for any kind of request or anything you can go to my very active page that is dedicated to this mobile. So let's move to the software installation and other things. I am using Windows 8 64-bit. In Windows 7 you will not have you might not have any problem for installing the drivers, but you have to take care of some things in the Windows 8. So I will cover that, and this video maybe is split in 2 or 3 parts. So please keep check my description for those linkings. So you need to download a software, that is root, SRS root. For that, go to the site SRS root. God, this is very stupid browser. SRS root, search for that and go to the first link and download the sorry, this is not the download page. Go to the download now and download the latest software, and it is around 7.43 MB. So I will not download it because I have already in my system. And you also need ADB drivers. So I will provide this file which has both that software, both that SRS software and the ADB drivers. So there is password, so that there is no spamming for this software. So to extract it, double click on it. You need a software called WinRAR, which is free, and the password is thewayyoure.com, which is my very personal site. So copy it and select and drag it to the software folder, and it will ask the password, so paste it and click OK. It will extract it. God, I don't use this system. I am using this system because I never had connected my mobile in this system. So you will have you will see all the problems while connecting first time. In my laptop I have rooted it already. So always right click and run as administrator to install this software. And to run this software you maybe need to connect with internet. I don't know why it uses internet. So install. Now it has installed the software. Now I will search in the start menu SRS, and I will right click on it and will run it. But before running, you need to connect your mobile with computer. So this is my USB, and before connecting, go to system setting and make sure in developer option you have checked USB debugging, and I will suggest you to keep awake the screen, that is also check this option, okay, so that you come to know what is happening in the mobile and what are the options to choose from mobile when the pop-up will be come in the screen. So also go to the security and check this allowing allow installation of non-market apps, and I will again remind you to unlock your all codes, so like screen lock or everything. Please remove all the pins. Now I am going to connect it with my computer. Yes, so I will connect it. You can't see it, and it will start install the drivers. See, USB connected. Now here it has came, and install the drivers. Okay, press window key and X on your keyboard, window key and X. It will bring this what you call it, pop-up. No, this is not pop-up. And go to device manager. It should install the drivers. Now here is my device, because we have to install the drivers. So right click on it and update driver software. Now these are the drivers which I need to install. So I will browse my computer and I will copy this path and will paste it here and will browse. Now since I am using 64-bit, how to know your bit? Simply there are many methods to know. I will press window key or E, window key and E to open my computer and go to local C where my files are installed. If you are seeing this folder x86, it means you have 64-bit operating system. If you are not having this folder or you have only program files, it means you are having 32-bit, that is x86-bit computer. Another way to know the computer bit, right click on it and properties, and here it should show 64-bit. So it is up to you how you come to know about your bit. So now I will use this 64-bit and click OK, and I will keep check this include subfolders. And now here this is the problem some of people may get. the third party INF does not contain digital signature information. So for now this is the video. I will make this video as a first part, and in the second part I will tell you how to install the drivers, third party drivers, that is ADB drivers. So bye for now.